Hello and welcome to another Greens and Growth how-to. My name is Brandon and today I'll be teaching you how to take this and turn it into this with just your blender. So pay attention, here we go.
All right, everyone, because we can't just, throw everything together, we're going to have to talk about things incessantly first. Yeah, it's very important that you have water, about a cup of it. Yeah, it doesn't really matter hot or cold. Oh, scissors. Yeah, those will definitely come in handy because you want to chop it up a little bit because it will burn up your motor if you don't. And you're going to have a lot of fiber left over when you're done here, so you'll just pour it through this colander. Yeah, we see it. Thank you. Just put it down. We can move on. That's plenty. Thank you. Oh, God. Sorry. And yes, of course, you'll need your wheatgrass because this is a wheatgrass video, so there it is. Great. Oh, and since we're using a blender, of course, we're going to need a blender cup. Didn't see that coming. Yeah. Okay. So, I guess you just reach in there and grab, however much you feel you need. That looks pretty good, I guess. And I can see you've already chopped it up. We didn't really need to see you doing that, I guess. At least, oh, thank you. There, see? 1-inch long strips or so. That works perfectly. Fantastic. It was a very good little flourish. Thank you. I'll pop that lid on, seal it real tight, because if you don't, water goes everywhere. Okay, I guess I was done talking. And we're just going to turn it on. I don't know why you're wasting time slowly turning it up. Just, can we get on with things? 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds in the blender until, everything's all green and do we really need the action shot here? Did we? Could we not just have moved on to the pouring? Yeah, great. Okay, there we go. All right, so you've got your colander over your cup and pouring very slowly, clearly, through that. See all the fiber just kind of building up there on the colander. Yeah, get it all. Yeah, definitely. I mean, don't waste a thing. Very nice, very pretty, fantastic. All right. And it looks like we're sprucing up our wheatgrass with a little Herbalife, some orange liftoff, raspberry tea, aloe. Oh, all right, that probably tastes pretty good.
All right, that's it for this how-to. Check out the rest of our videos on Greens and Growth's YouTube page for more instructions on how to make things, how to grow things, how to eat things, and how to get the most out of them. Have a great day.